Hey everyone, we're back with another video in the same place. We're back in this. We're not gonna go in that one. No, we don't go in that one. So we're back for part 2, and let's just watch this one go. We need to wait for this one to go. Okay, it's gone. Okay, guys, let's get in this one. You ready? Cool down. Get on. Okay. The last one I won first time. It's good. Okay. Let's see if I can win this time. The key one with the dummy, I just clutched it. I don't know how the king guy didn't get through. He was running. Don't know. I think there might have been a wrong door or something. Oh, it's the box one. So we got Robloxian, we've got iOmega and Super Treno, and of course my buddies. Yeah, Arnie bought some sick wings, like 1,000 Robux, but they're still pretty sick with his sparkles. Robloxy. Okay, greetings and welcome. I want to play a game. I still find that creepy. That photo. I keep touching my mic. I need to leave it alone. Oh yeah, by the way, thank you for 10 subscribers. I know I sound like really grateful, but I don't know. It's just 10 subscribers. It's a good margin for me. I'm gonna do what I did. I just go on a line. I hope I don't die. Hopefully there's some AFK kid or something. I found a key. Oh yes. This is number 5. Let's go. Go. Yeah, we've got some. Oh no, Arnie's still there. Arnie. Come on, Arnie. You've got to do this. Okay. Arnie. 30 seconds. Someone made it. Yes! The last one. Yeah. First game. Game 2. Wait. First. Oh, tags, damn. Okay. To the new mini game. Shrug real fast. Can I shrug? Oh, I hate this one. Over your upper and lower jaws. Yeah, I wouldn't like to see what happened. The mouth get ripped open. It's actually a horrible game in Roblox. I thought this was a good game, but you know what? I'm playing it, boy. I don't want to roll here. Okay, go. I gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Just spam is the way. You probably hear me spamming. So yeah, guys, I would recommend playing this game with your friends. Random people, maybe not, because it'd be fun, competitive video game with your friends. Because remember, I played Josh. I'm out. Key. Okay, get it off. Get it in. Go. Get out. Go. Open me. Go. Yes, I made it. Okay, that's good. They all did really well on that one. Okay, shotgun time. Okay. Us 3 are here. We're in the 3rd round. In front of each of you is a shotgun. If you watch the first episode, I shouldn't really be talking about it, but I'm going to do a few things. Watch the second one. So once it does, you will have to press the button, which is coloured the same as the key. Be the 4th pressed correct button and shotgun facing you will shoot. If you fail to press the correct button in 10 seconds, the shotgun facing you will shoot. Do you have what it takes to stay alive? Glue! Glue? I pressed blue, but hopefully I did it before everyone else, because I have good reactions on the computer. Who is it? It's laughing. No! No! Okay. We are back. I am bad at this, but we got Super Channel, so hopefully I can beat him. I hate this guy. I'm red this time. I'm in the center. So hopefully, guys, I can get this dub. Another dub to add. So sad and savage. I know, right? I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold forward and D. Once all of your locks have been unlocked, so approaching your dummy will deactivate. You'll have 90 seconds to complete this task. First two to save their dummy and escape this room will advance. Okay, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I am red key this time. So I'm in front. I'm doing good right now. Not doing too shabbily. Okay, then. Yeah, I hate the clicking, but it's actually quite annoying. Okay. Oh, Josh is behind me. And Super Treno is not far behind. Josh is closer though. Okay, it's in. Those move quite fast, actually. Oh no, they're just slowly, actually. Go. I'm still in front. This is close. Super Treno's keeping up like a pro. Oh, I didn't click. Damn. Not wasting my time. It's in. Super Treno, you're lagging. No, my bro. My dude. I think it's going to be me and Josh again. Reaction levers. That's what I'm good at. Okay, I'm in. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh, Super Treno. You can't go, my dude. Super Treno. Sad, man. Okay, I'm through. Oh. Is Josh gonna make it in time? Josh made it. I'm on the other side. Will I get another dub? Meat? It's meat. No. Oh. Meat? Oh. Okay. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna look at this TV. Fasten my opponent by pulling the correct lever. I saw retreat slightly. Game ends. Demise of one of yourselves. Live or die. Make your choice. Wait. Oh, that came towards me. Blah. Ooh, stuck in the center. Blah. Ooh. Wait. Oh. Blah. Ooh. Wait. Oh, Josh. Oh no, you're gone. Yes! Another dub. Another dub. Yay! Oh. Yes. So that was for today's videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye. That was fun. Bye.